Oh, it's the fence. Well, that's a good fence, so I can I'm going to delete this house. Wait, can I delete this house? I need to delete this house now. It's been going through. House and other ideas I made that is new things. So like, look at these guys. These are actually so cute. There's a lot. And there's more coming soon actually. So stay tuned. There's also cute patterns. Those are so cute. It's not anything new. I'm just trying to find everything new. Solid. Oh, with this one. I'm gonna use that for my bathroom. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. It's split? Guys, it's split in half. I was like, where did the shower go? It was split in half. Like, not like the half one, it's the other one. Checking if there's more. I know there's new lights. There's new lights, see? Oh, these are so cute. Yes. How about here? Backyard. Okay, that's awesome. Now we're gonna get started to build my house. This could be a good tree. So let's just put this plant. I love plants, by the way. Plants make my house aesthetic. And then we're gonna there we go. I'm gonna put it right here. Let's see. Maybe some lights. I'll put this one. This one looks so weird. I am also gonna make this clever. Is that any new food? Nope. Let's just put this table right here. Also gotta go get some stuff later. Let's see. Put this. I don't have that much ideas. I don't care if videos is so long. I just want to finish the video quicker. You gotta watch here. Okay, now I'm gonna grab this light. This street light. This is not a street. First, I'm gonna put this over there. Probably finish right here now. I'll go here. Okay, I'm just gonna use the same idea. But put this right here. Oh, there is no paintings too. I want to use the new one. This new painting is consider my favorite to put. To make the houses more sick. Okay, let's go to the bed here and here. I'm sure I'm moving. I got you so hard. Oh, they're clear. They're clear. They're clear. In the trash. Go in the trash. Yeah. This also this. Let's see what else here. This kind of looks like it just got reworked. And then we'll grab this. Here. I'm gonna make a part 2 because this is probably gonna get too long. And you'll be sitting here so long. So yeah. Grab a little table. This table. So go. And where's the thing? Here. Right here, the key. I need the key. Put this key right here. Got some paintings. I'm gonna use this. There we go. More carpets. We're gonna add this one. Yeah, like that. Go. A lot of people will put this also and add. Okay, so here's all done. Now we're gonna do the kitchen. I'm still gonna do the kitchen right here. The kitchen is also always gonna be right here. I'm gonna do the wallpaper when I finish the diamonds everywhere here. Oh, 2 fridges. Let's make a double fridge. Like that, or just put it right here. Oh wait, I got a good idea. We'll put this on the middle. And you can use these ideas. You can use it. You can also copy me. I don't care. I love you. I don't really. I should copy some people's, but it's still fine. I'm gonna grab another carpet. This carpet. Ow. Now we're gonna put this. There we go. I'm gonna put another street light in the house now. Now we need. Let's actually put the living room right here, and I'm gonna make a playroom right here. That's a good idea. I'm just gonna do like this. These are from my own ideas, okay? Okay, so now we put this right here. I'm gonna use this one. This one actually looks fancy. It looks like a fancy house. Well, mine is not, but I'm just gonna use it. It's actually cute. What's this? I'm gonna put this right here. It looks cute. Now I need to put 2 of this. I always put this. It's the main thing. Yeah. this. I think I finished building the kitchen, and I'm just building the living room already. There we go. Right here. This tiny box. I don't know what to put. I'll put it later. Put the things in here later. I want to put this. No. Yeah. Okay, now we put this. We're gonna make dining table now. Dining table. Six because this is a little baby. The kids are gonna be on the fence. Come on. And the parents are here now. Like the baby one. It was like put this. And you can also just put a box right here. Just put the baby right here. Okay. I don't really know what to put else. So let's put plants. Yeah. I love plants. Oh my god. Careful, kids. And we're adding this. And this. I'm just adding random things. I really don't know what to put. Let's put it right here. Now this. I put this thing at the house. My house before. Okay. And now we're gonna put this. Oh my god. There we go. And then put this a little higher. There we go. This higher. Oh no. There we go. This. Wow, that looks so cool. Oh, I forgot to switch this. Switch. What's this even for? Okay, let's just let this open. Oh my god. Was that a glitch? I'm just gonna make this place stay dry and close. Like this. And then grab this table. What? This. Here. What? Wait. Is it not in here? Wait, where is it again? I'm gonna grab this. Oh wait, I found them here. What? Where's that thing I do? It's a code again. I don't know. Let's just put a random light. This light. There we go. Not a little bit. I don't know where it is. Wait. Here or like where? What? Perfect. It's cute, right? Now more carpets. Let's add this one. Now we're going here. This is gonna be the playroom tab. Now we're just gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this one for the playroom. That looks weird. Here, I'll switch this. Okay. And then add this. There's really just nothing. Go here, and we grab this. Oh wait, this could be the pet's place. Yeah. Cat food, dog food. We need a catnip. Or just maybe grab a box. A box. Okay, let's some food in here. There we go. This is cat food. And then now we do dog food. Oh. I was not expecting that. Now grab another box, put them in. Oh my god. Now we just need to grab some shelves. Grab this. Put this. And then up. And then this. There we go. Let's go back to here. I need to put these squeaky toy. Let's just put a random cat food. More plants. Cats are allergic to a lot of plants. Here, press that. I'm gonna put a pillow, but the cat is gonna scratch it. Who cares? We're rich. No, we're not. Put this. Let me put this alarm clock. Here it is. Here, eat. There it goes. So cute. Where's the dog gonna sleep? You know where they're gonna sleep. In here. I have many dogs. Actually, in real life, I don't even have any dogs or cats. I have fish. Okay, what panties? Let's put this one. You can barely see it. Now here, I don't know, but it's gonna be the garden place. Here was the garden place. I made a garden place right here before. You can put a painting right here. Okay, forget that. Do you understand me? Do you hear me? I don't know if you hear me because I talk so quiet. Yes. This. Probably not the garden place anymore. Oh, what? Now we're just gonna put this again. There. And this. And then this. There. Should we put food? I'm still gonna make role plays. Okay, I'm still gonna make those I never make a real role play in these videos using my voice to make role plays. I don't know how. Okay, that's cute. Should I put a copyright again? Okay, maybe we should put it right here. Oh wait, this one is cute, so I'm gonna put this one. here. I don't really know what to put. Oh no. You guys, my app has 10%. So we're gonna make this short a little. We're done with this. Put a little bit trash. It's fine. There. Okay, so here's gonna be the end. Let me just leave here a little cars to work. I'll do. Do you want me to keep stuff? Maybe I should. Okay. Let's just go to the second floor. I'm gonna make my bedroom. Just so it's this way. Maybe I should do okay, let's just go do this. I want my bedroom. I want my bedroom to be right here, actually. So let's put. This is cute. So we're gonna put this, of course. Now we're gonna put this. Another one. Switch it.
Okay, I'm done training with Nala.
Just like that. Okay. Oh my god. Terrible. Now we put paintings. I'm gonna put this skips. I'm just gonna finish doing my bedroom and make a part 2. Come on, hurry. I always use my clothes to put in there. Wait, maybe like, isn't the new mirror here? Where's the new mirror? In here. Yeah, this one. There. I don't know why that's so giant. I'll just do like that. Yeah. It's gonna be my makeup place and my studying place. Now the clothes. I'm gonna use this locker. I'm not gonna delete this. Just put one. Then we put this right here. It's kind of plain. Now we pick plants, of course. No one's forgetting the plants. To forget to pick plants. Plants, they're called plants. I keep messing it up. Thank you, flower. I haven't put any petals that much. More petals, more better. I'm gonna use this chair. This chair right here. And then, let's see. Oh my god. Let's put this new. Let's go here. Maybe this new. I want to put this one. Turbo. Now, what do we pick? Should we put this? Should we just put this like on the front of my bed? That would be cool. Let's see if this works. Turbo. Okay, it's see-through. My players. That's me. Oh, works. I can just put this right here. Either or. Oh wait, the players restarts. Okay. So this is the end of the video. I'll make a part 2, finish this whole house. because it's a lot more hard. And I'll just, in the meanwhile, when I stop this video, I will go get some things and put it in my house. So, bye guys.